This song was first introduced to the public almost 60 years ago, written and performed by Paul Simon and Art Garfunkel. Reintroduced to modern audiences with a stark, stripped-down rendition by Disturbed in 2023, it found new popularity. And tonight, for her second song, please welcome Jessica Chapman with her interpretation of Sounds of Silence.
Softly creeping, left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my head with the sound of silence. Light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. And the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. People talking without hearing. People speaking without listening. People writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound